This is a eighth lecture. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the eighth lecture of data science using Python series. In this lecture, I will cover the topic of clustering. So, what is clustering? This is a topic of clustering. Demonstrate application of k-mean clustering using R Python. So, I will cover the topic of clustering here. So, what is clustering? Clustering means cluster. Cluster means grouping the data where the highest similarity of intergroups and highest dissimilarity of intrapersonal group elements. So what actually I actually say is that clustering. Clustering means where grouping the data. Grouping the data means creating a classes of particular data. Here in some K-means clustering. K-mean clustering is a type of clustering. K-means basically an algorithm that is used for clustering. K-means is a popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm used to group similar data points into cluster. So steps in K-mean clustering here: initialize k-centroids, randomly choose initially, assign each data point to the nearest centroid, recalculate centroid, and repeat the assignment and update process the calculating k-mean. So here this is an example. I will explain with this example. Apply k-mean clustering algorithm. Here points are given that 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 and 8 9. So first we calculate here initialize k centroid. So first we calculate initialize k centroid. I create two centroids C1 and C2 here. C1 centroid 1 2 and C2 centroid 2 3. So here I calculate the distance between each centroid of each point. So this is the process here: 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 2 minus 3. So in both groups, in which the lowest value I get, I put the value in particular clustering here. So here I calculate this is C1 here 1 minus 1 0 and 2 minus 2 0. 0 plus 0 is equivalent to 0. So this is the smallest value of cluster with cluster 1 and cluster 2. So it gives in C1 cluster. So this is a data point C1 and C2 here. C1 data points 1 2, C2 data points 2 3 3 4 4 5 and all. I repeat this process again after the calculation of these two cluster C1 1 2 and C2 is 6 C2 is 6 7. So here again I will repeat the process points 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9. So again repeat this process: 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 1 minus 6 2 minus 7. You think here 6.6 comma 7 how it I get. So I calculate the average of C2 here. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 6. So I will get the result 6 comma 7. Again repeat this process again. C2 3 and 6 7 centroid. Again repeat this process. C1 here get 2 3 6 7 for k. So here 2 3 6 7. So this is C1 2 3 6 7. Here C1 1 2 6 7 and here again C2 2 3 6 7. So I will get the same centroid point, same points here: C1 1 2, C2 2 3 3 4. So I get same data points here. So this is our centroid 2 3 and 6 7. As similar as it is similar as k is equal to 3. We solve it again. So if we want to calculate 3 centroid, so we let k is equal to 3, means mean k means equals to 3. So start this process again. Each point C1 C2 C3 we calculate this. So first 1 1 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 2. So here we get 0. So it already done. that it gives in C1. Next, same as, so next, for k is equal to 3 centroid, C1 is equal to 1 2, C2 is equal to 2 3, and C3 is equal to 3 4. 1 2 2 3 3 4, here's the data points, and we calculate here the distance for each data points here, C1 C2 C3 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 here. Here calculate the mean of each x and y points. So 5.5 and 6.5 our C3 centroid. So again calculate points 1 2 2 3, all points are calculated, our centroid also calculated here. And after the calculation of the centroid, after the calculation I will get that here C1 1 2, C2 2 3, C3 is 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 and 8 9. And similar as C1 is equal to 1 2, C2 is equal to 2 3 4 3 4 and 4 5, and C3 is a as similar as our 5.5 and 6.5 centroid. So this is the answer of our 3 centroid is C1 1 2, C2 2 3, and C3 6 7 here. So now this I will explain this using code here. So what is the code of? This is a code of k-mean clustering here. First we generate 300 samples with 3 cluster, and sample is equal to 300. Centroid we want to create here 3 centroid here. So xy is equal to make balls here. Next, pd dot data frame x comma columns features 1 features 2. Apply k-mean clustering here. So k means equals to k means n cluster is equal to 3, random state 42. Once k-mean has fitting the data, each data point is assigned to one of the cluster. So df cluster is equal to k-means dot labels. Extracting cluster center here, k-means dot cluster center here. Visualize the cluster and their centroid here. So this is the visualization or plot function and methods used here. So this is the output of our k-mean clustering. I will explain this. These all are 3 centroid. Centroid 1 is here, centroid 2 here, and centroid 3 here. Centroid 1 value here, between 1 and 3. Centroid 2 value is between 1 and 4, and centroid 3 is 3.3 to 5.6, and upper 3.5 to 5.5 also here. So this is our 3 centroid values calculated with using Python. Thank you for watching this video.